What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video.
We are here. We have started our day already.
Yeah.
We are at this trail for a little hike. It's called Coffee Creek. So
we finna go on a long walk,
the goal is to walk this whole trail with us and Bella. Bella was excited before we even got out the car.
Yeah, she was going crazy in the car.
As y'all can see, it is a little cloudy, very much thunderstormy.
Oh, Belly.
So we'll see how this goes.
I wish we could flip the camera so we can.
All right. This is the beginning of the trail. Bella sniffing away. Yeah, we got a beagle. And if you know about beagles, you know they are hunting dogs. So the nose, once her nose goes to that ground, it's a wrap.
Look at her, y'all.
It's a wrap.
We haven't even made it to the beginning.
We just in the beginning.
Like,
But it is very quiet out here. Excuse her nasty coughing and spitting. It is very quiet out here.
A dog.
It's giving nature.
It's giving humid.
You can smell the grass. You can smell the trees. You can hear the birds chirping.
And y'all, last time we went on a walk, y'all,
we seen a deer.
We seen a deer and we almost got chased by a deer. So let's see what we see on this adventure today.
They said beware of coyotes. Coyotes might be in the area, and they said if you see a coyote, to pick your dog up. Who gonna pick me up?
I don't know how I feel about that, yo.
Who gonna pick me up if a coyote comes?
Like, what you mean?
But this is just the beginning. They made us some sandwiches today. I didn't get that on camera either. Oh, look at this little walk area. Do we want to go up there?
Yeah.
It's a little stair climb,
Let's go up
or a little hill climb, I mean. Or do you want to go straight?
I do. Oh, let's see what this says.
Right. So this is Bridge 1. They got bathrooms. Which way do we want to go?
Look, show them that too.
This says, all pets must be on the leash. Please clean up after your pet. Pet waste transmits disease.
Let's grab some more, yeah.
Y'all here. Okay, I guess these little landmarks, y'all. We cannot get lost. Let's go up here. Let's start up here first. Oh.
Let's say bridges.
Oh, bridge 2, 4, 5, and 7. Okay. We will see. So we're gonna continue our walk. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. Alrighty guys, so we have made it just a little bit along the way, and we already see some people running. They over here getting their workout on, and I'm gonna go ahead and move to the side and let them finish. Here they come. They coming. Yeah, in case someone gets hurt. Hi, cutie.
Sorry.
She's adorable.
So bridges is this way?
Yeah. Yeah, there's a bug on my phone.
For real?
And let me flick it off.
Oh.
Belle, get up here before you get squished. Belle is excited. We are out here.
We outside. Little bugs flying around though.
I should have put my hair up.
And I don't like this. I don't like all these bugs.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
That's why I got my hood on, y'all. I don't play. The bug fall on my head is going back to the cot oval.
We're gonna knock it off and we're gonna keep going.
Look at Bill, come with me.
So, how are y'all today? I woke up. I've been on vacation for 5 days now. I don't go back until after Memorial Day, which will be Tuesday. We got on our adventure outside walking clothes.
What you got on?
I'm gonna show you first.
I got on my brown jacket.
Got on some
Camouflage
pants with some.
Me to record you?
No, y'all don't need to see what I have on. I just have on a jacket with some leggings and some Steve Madden shoes, and we're gonna call it a day.
Okay, show what Belle got on.
Okay, Belle got on her black harness with her Louis Vuitton leash.
Okay.
Paws, straight from paws.com. And yeah, we're gonna pick up this speed and start really getting our workout on. And yeah, okay, we've reached another trail.
Girl, you see that water over there?
There is some water over here.
Gosh.
D is scared of water.
Oh my God.
Bodies of water, I should say. We'll get there. Whew. I got my Apple Watch on, counting my steps. There is a small swamp of water, but don't be fooled. Those small swamps be pretty deep.
Dale, get your butt over here. Oh my God.
Just look at it. And they left me already. They have left me already. Bella. Andy.
Yeah, guys. You should get up and start a walk. Look for a trail and walk with your guys' family. And Bella just got done doing number 2 for the second time. Oh, y'all look. They say, please stay on. Oh, what that mean, y'all? Look at that trail. Look, it's a trail down there. See, this is how you could be easily distracted. All right. Why you going straight? Huh? We going the wrong way. Why? We're straight. See, oh, there's more people behind us. Huh? Yeah. See, you see another bridge? What if that's like to the bathroom? Look at Bill. Bill got real scared, y'all. So which way you want to go? Huh? Bill, which way should we go?
Uh-oh, sorry. No, you're good.
Okay, you want to go this way? Or you want to go that way? And look at them. No. I will be right here telling the story of what happened. Because I ain't going. Come on, Bill, before alligator jump out and bite your ass.
Come on. You like, don't gotta tell me twice.
Like, hey, you right. Okay, y'all, but and her shoes are tight again. Yeah, they go. I'm gonna check the scenery out.
Whew. Your girl is getting a little tired. Whew. But we gotta keep going. We gotta reach the end. We have to stay dedicated. I feel little sprinkles of water falling. Sometimes you have to step out and enjoy the nature. God placed this here. You have to embrace it. Imagine this world with none of this. Imagine this world with no greenery, no trees, no land, no bushes, no birds. Embrace it. Yeah, you might feel dirty, you might feel yucky, but that's what you gotta take a shower for. You have to take a shower.
People take showers.
I forgot D don't because she's scared of water. But me, I'm gonna get in that shower once I get home.
Girl, you're right, barely.
Let her tell it. So y'all, I put my hair up, so now I look crazy.
Yeah, she always says she look crazy with her hair up, but I believe she is beautiful any way of any kind. But yeah, y'all. Are you tired? We ain't tired, y'all. It ain't that hot. It actually feels good. It's a nice little breeze.
Look all that way.
Look all that way. Look at all of that. Wow. Okay, they got a little bench area that we can relax our feet. But hey, I'm good. We all good in the hood. We don't need to sit down. Oh. And look who's sitting down.
We gonna rest
You
our
tired?
feet.
You tired?
Our feet hurt.
Our feet hurt.
Can you hear that? Come on, back.
Shh. Let's just hear nature for a second. Let's just hear how it sounds.
You have to bring the
Alright,
pup a
guys.
little diaper bag.
Right.
So we got the water.
We're on break.
We got the bowl.
And she's taken.
Here, Bill.
I know she died.
Hold on. Sit.
See, guys, Bella is trained.
Ooh. My girl was thirsty.
Because somebody was thirsty.
I'm thirsty too. And for mama, we got a red Gatorade.
A red Gatorade. You can't never go wrong with a red one. Go. Let's start, I guess so.
Where yours at?
Come on.
Trying to save yours for after.
Come on. What is that little hair on there? What is that?
That's from my
I
jacket.
don't know what that was.
Oh, so you was thirsty too. Bill, where your water go? You want some more? Hold on. Water break. Dang, Bill, you gonna eat the bowl. Here, Bill. Want some more? Wait, sit. Sit. Good girl. You drinking from the cup. I mean, from the bottle. This ain't no water fountain. If somebody asked me where I'm at, I wouldn't know what to tell them. I'm about some flags. I just know I'm about a lot of trees. Help. Help. Oh, Billy. Bill. Find Bella. Where's Bella at? Where's Bella? Bella, let's go.
Bella, you getting in the bed.
Come on. Let's go. Get your butt out of there. Get out of there. Yeah. You know what's crazy? Dogs have allergies, just like humans.
All right, guys. We are going this way. And this is the last bridge, Bridge 7. We walked along. Oh, what the heck? Look at that bird. Oh, where is he? Oh, he right there. He was talking to me. Oh, what the heck is going on here? I'm gonna chase my birds. Oh, woo! That was tiresome.
We have made it to the top. But if you ask me where I'm at, I don't know.
Right, because if she go left, she go right.
I don't know.
All right, this way.
We're gonna go this way. We just seen a deer. I seen it. Bella seen it. D seen it. I think D got it on camera too. We gotta go. We gotta get out of here as soon as possible. I am scared. It was big. No, I'm scared. I want to get out of here.
All right, y'all. Total deers we seen. 3. 3. And she said one of them was pregnant. So we gonna go ahead and go. Cause now we seeing nature. Now we seeing nature. And we got a dog.
We gotta go.
So And Belle, see some or some?
Come on, Belle.
Belle, you scared me. I was finna start. All right, y'all, for future reference, if we see a deer, should we be scared? Or should we be like, all right, yeah, it's a deer? Because if I see a deer, we gonna run. And we gonna hide. Like, will he like trample us or something like that? Or like smush us or try to attack our dog? Like what do we do?
Come on, Bella.
Cause my antennas are out now. Eyes are peeled. Eyes are peeled for sure. Don't mind this bump, y'all. I don't know what happened.
Oh, stop.
It's time to go because our dog is acting bananas.
All right, y'all. We finally made it back to the car. I am tired. Are you tired?
I'm really tired.
My feet hurt. Bella, you tired? Yeah, she's tired. We're gonna end the video right here. Gonna go home, take a shower, start dinner, and get ready for this weekend. Back to work. Gotta get our mindsets back into work mode. Is you cool? You wanna say something? But all right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Until then, bye.